Hi, my name's Amy Kennedy,
And I'm Jack Ramsland.
and we will be singing and playing You Gotta Lift It from Elephant's Graveyard by George Brant. Got a monkey on your back, you gotta lift it. I'm a-telling you now, Jack, you gotta lift it. Lift it off before it's through. Only monkey's gonna be you. You gotta lift it, lift it, lift it off your back. Higher, you gotta lift it. Higher, you gotta lift it. Higher, you gotta lift it. Lift it off your mind. Elephant's Graveyard runs October 14th through the 17th in the WSU Performing Arts Center. Tickets are $6 for students and $12 for the public. So come see me and Jack perform and all the great cast and crew of Elephant's Graveyard at WSU.